Welcome to Autoverse. The Airbus H225, formerly known as the Eurocopter EC225 Super Puma, is one of the most advanced and powerful long-range helicopters in the civilian and military aviation landscape. Designed with versatility, endurance, and safety at its core, the H225 is part of the Super Puma family, a lineage with decades of proven service around the globe. Whether it's offshore oil missions, search and rescue operations, or military transport, this aircraft has become synonymous with high performance and resilience under extreme conditions. In this video, we're going to break down the key features, performance stats, and unique attributes that make the H225 stand out in the world of rotary wing aviation. At first glance, the H225's design reflects purpose and efficiency. The airframe is sleek and modern, optimized for both aerodynamic efficiency and durability. Its 5-blade main rotor system, made from composite materials, isn't just about reducing weight, it plays a crucial role in minimizing vibration, enhancing passenger comfort, and increasing overall lifting capability. These blades are designed to endure extreme stress, a feature that's essential for operations in harsh maritime environments or demanding military scenarios. The tail rotor uses a canted fenestron design, enclosed within the vertical stabilizer, which improves safety on the ground and reduces noise in flight. Under the hood, or more appropriately, above the cabin, the H225 is powered by two Turbomeca Makila 2A1 turboshaft engines. Each engine delivers over 2,400 shaft horsepower, giving the helicopter a combined output of nearly 5,000 shp. This translates into impressive performance figures. A maximum cruise speed of around 175 knots, roughly 324 km per hour, and a range of over 850 km with standard fuel tanks. With auxiliary fuel options, that range can stretch even further. The H225 can stay airborne for more than 5 hours, a feature that's critical for long-range missions such as North Sea oil rig shuttles or deep-sea rescue missions. The aircraft's payload capabilities are equally noteworthy. It can carry up to 19 passengers in a typical offshore configuration, seated in a spacious, air-conditioned cabin with crashworthy seating. For cargo or military transport roles, the seating can be removed or reconfigured to accommodate up to 5,000 kilograms of internal payload or 4,750 kilograms of external sling load. That's enough to carry heavy equipment, relief supplies, or even light vehicles. The rear clamshell doors and wide cabin make loading and unloading a breeze, which is especially important when time is of the essence in disaster relief or combat zones. Now let's talk about avionics and cockpit technology, because the H225 isn't just about raw power, it's also a leader in flight automation and safety. The helicopter is equipped with Airbus's advanced 4-axis autopilot system. This is more than just a tool for easing pilot workload, it allows for hands-off stability during hover, automatic transition to flight, and precision approaches even in low visibility. The cockpit features large-format multifunction displays that give pilots real-time access to navigation, engine performance, and aircraft systems data. Dual flight management systems, weather radar, terrain awareness systems, and synthetic vision help pilots maintain situational awareness in all conditions. In addition, the H225 includes advanced safety features that make it one of the most secure platforms in its class. The helicopter is designed to meet or exceed the latest international safety standards, with redundant systems across flight controls, hydraulics, electrical systems, and even avionics. It boasts a crashworthy fuel system, energy-absorbing landing gear, and armored crew seats in some variants. Perhaps most impressively, the H225 can safely auto-rotate and land even in the event of a complete engine failure, thanks to its high-inertia rotor system and aerodynamic efficiency. Another area where the H225 excels is its adaptability. Airbus offers the aircraft in multiple configurations to meet the needs of a wide variety of operators. For offshore energy support, it comes with comfortable seating, soundproofing, and even Wi-Fi connectivity. For search and rescue (SAR), the cabin can be outfitted with stretchers, medical equipment, and a powerful winch capable of lifting over 270 kilograms. Military variants include provisions for door-mounted weapons, armor plating, and secure communications. There's even a VIP version, sometimes referred to as the H225M, customized with luxury interiors and advanced in-flight entertainment for heads of state and private clients. Environmental performance is another consideration for today's operators, and here the H225 delivers relatively clean and quiet operations for a helicopter of its size. The engines are optimized for fuel efficiency, and the advanced rotor design reduces the overall noise footprint, an important factor for urban operations and environmental compliance. Moreover, the helicopter can operate in a wide range of temperatures and weather conditions, from Arctic cold to desert heat, making it a truly global platform. A key selling point for many operators is the H225's proven operational track record. With tens of thousands of flight hours logged across the fleet, it has been tested in virtually every environment imaginable. Its ability to deliver high availability rates, meaning it's ready for flight when needed, makes it especially attractive for industries that rely on punctuality and reliability, such as oil and gas logistics or emergency services. Maintenance intervals are generous, and the support network from Airbus helicopters includes global service centers, comprehensive training programs, and a robust supply chain for spare parts. Of course, the H225 hasn't been without controversy. It was temporarily grounded in 2016 after a fatal crash linked to a gearbox issue. Airbus responded with a complete overhaul of the gearbox inspection and maintenance protocols, along with design enhancements. The incident led to more rigorous oversight but ultimately reinforced the company's commitment to safety and transparency. Since returning to service, the H225 has regained the trust of operators through its consistently strong performance and improved monitoring systems. In recent years, Airbus has continued to evolve the H225 platform. The company has been exploring hybrid electric propulsion concepts and improved avionics integration to ensure the helicopter remains relevant in a changing aerospace landscape. There's even been talk of integrating autonomous systems that could allow for single-pilot operations in some scenarios, although this remains in the experimental phase for now. These innovations reflect Airbus's broader strategy of future-proofing its aircraft while maintaining compatibility with existing operational infrastructure. The global footprint of the H225 is impressive. It's in use by over 20 countries, with military and civilian operators spanning every continent. Notable users include the French Air Force, Japanese Coast Guard, and several major oil companies operating in Southeast Asia and the North Atlantic. Its flexibility means it can be deployed from naval ships, mountain bases, or city helipads, making it one of the most universally adaptable heavy-lift helicopters on the market. Cost-wise, the H225 isn't cheap. A new unit can cost upwards of $20 million, depending on configuration. But for organizations that require reliable heavy lift capacity, all-weather performance, and cutting-edge safety systems, the return on investment is substantial. Operating costs are competitive within its category, particularly when you factor in Airbus's global support and training ecosystem, which helps reduce downtime and streamline logistics. To wrap things up, the Airbus H225 isn't just another helicopter, it's a flying powerhouse that merges engineering excellence with operational flexibility. Whether braving high seas to extract personnel from offshore rigs, flying through storms on a rescue mission, or carrying elite troops to a remote battlefield, this aircraft delivers on its promise of strength, safety, and sophistication. It's a machine built for the most demanding missions on Earth, and it continues to evolve, proving that even in the fast-changing world of aerospace, the Super Puma remains a force to be reckoned with. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Airbus H225, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts or questions. Whether you're a pilot, an aviation enthusiast, or just curious about how the world's most advanced helicopters work, there's always more to explore. Fly safe, and see you in the next video.